Hey guys, Josiah here, and today I'm at a nature center for the first time. Whoa, look at that water.
My sister loves the turtles usually be in here.
Look at those fishes.
Look at the little turtle. Look at the turtle right here. And look at the koi fish.
Fishy, fishy.
It's a big turtle on the other side. Over here, somewhere. You can't really see him go. We gotta go on this side so you can see him. Be careful with your phone. Be careful with your phone. You kind of see him right there. He kind of trapped up under something.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's called a diamondback. That's a terrapin. That is like the Maryland terrapins, like the state that you live in. Look at his nose.
Yeah.
Snakes over here.
Look.
Snake right there.
It looks like the snake is asleep.
His head is somewhere over there.
Yeah.
There's supposed to be another snake in here somewhere, but I don't see him. Maybe they took him out for a second or something. I don't see the little dude.
Yeah, I don't see the little dude either.
It says Colombian rainbow boa. I don't know what bird is that either, bro. It look like he hiding too.
Yeah.
I think bro hiding too. He might be, no he's not. He's curled up inside of there. If you come right here where daddy is, you can see him. You can see his back. You gotta slide this way. And look in that little hole right there in the rock. You can see him a little bit. Let me flash the light on. Look, come stand right here. You see him? In the hole?
Mm-hmm.
Come on, man. Look. And that snake is in there. You see the white? You see the white part of his body?
Yep.
Inside the rock. I wonder if it'll come out. None of these joints be out or active, man. And look at this little ugly bug. It's called a millipede.
What about this one?
That is called an eastern newt, and that's him right there.
Yeah.
It's like a little small tiny lizard. He's a lizard. He's a lizard.
Who knew that a nature center could be awesome?
Yeah, it's cool, bro. It's cool. You say here, lizard.
Look at this big home.
Right, I wonder what lives
Oh,
over
there's a
there.
big snake.
You see it?
Yeah. He's very fat.
Oh, it's a python. That's why. The python will wrap around you and try to like.
The snake is very fat.
He won't come out, man.
Well,
This is trash. These snakes gotta be doing better, man.
well, snakes are tired and they're always asleep.
Yeah, this is sleeping, bro. Giant African millipede. It was an American one over there. It's an African one right here. I don't know what bruh at, though.
And there's a tiny fat snake under this branch.
No, it's a millipede. That's what it's called. It's like a bug. See? It's
Yeah.
a giant one. Everything in Africa is bigger anyway. That's the mother
Oh,
one.
there's nothing. There's nothing under that branch.
You don't see nothing?
No.
Let me see something. Madagascar hissing cockroach. It's a bug. You see that big bug that's on the back of that thing?
Oh.
It's called a hissing cockroach. Look at the owl. Sitting perched up on the joint.
Let's check this rainforest right here.
What's inside of it? It's supposed to be a box. Can you find the turtle?
Yeah, I see a turtle under the branch.
He's under the under right there. He sure is.
And he's asleep as usual.
I don't know if he's asleep, but I know he's up under there. The turtle's right here, sweetheart. He's under the log. Oh, you saw him?
We haven't checked this part right here.
Which part?
Look,
Turtles. More turtles. This animal is currently not home. They took him out. Look at that big bird.
yeah.
That's a hawk. They got some birds out back too. Supposed to be a skink or something in here. I don't know what it is.
Looks like I don't see nothing under the branch.
He's sitting right there. You don't see the lizard in front of you?
I do see him, but I thought he was under that branch.
Oh no, he's sitting right there. I think that's a bearded. Yep, that's a bearded dragon.
That is the life cycle of a frog. If you spin it, let's see. Ooh. If you spin it,
But
here's the life cycle of the frog. That's the tadpole. Okay, it starts as eggs.
Gecko's not coming out. He's hiding somewhere. They got bugs in there for him to eat. He's hiding. Look at that hawk, man. Hey, Mr. Hawk. Where you going, Mr. Hawk? Yeah, I'm talking to you. Stop moving, bro. Stop moving. Why you keep flying all around? Stop moving. Don't move again. Stay right there. Don't move no more. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Stay still. Don't move.